You ready for the Ike, Mom? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get the Ike. Okay, you're gonna ride downhill, okay? So turn it around first.
And she's gonna fall sideways on the bike.
Mommy. Yeah, first turn it around. Go ahead. Maybe your mom can help you. Well, that's why you got the pad, so it doesn't hurt.
Okay. Yeah. Let me see. You landed on your. Oh, just. You okay, Mommy? Okay.
That's why your mom was supposed to turn your bike around.
Well, Dad, you're just standing there. You didn't tell me until after she fell. Come on, uppy. And I can't keep track of her. She goes into the street and.
Is it on?
Yep.
Go straight, okay? Go ahead, Mommy.
Come on, honey.
Let's go get Mommy on the Ike. Go ahead. Go ahead, Mommy. Pedal hard. Keep your feet on the Ike, okay? There you go. Go ahead. Go straight, go straight, go straight.
Bye, Mom. Bye, baby.
Go straight.
Bye.
Hey. You're doing good.
Okay, come back now. Go, Mama. Gotta steer properly, Mom. You're gonna run into a wall.
You wanna walk it up there? Better now. But you gotta keep your feet on the pedals, okay? Here, get a good traction. Here, this foot is too far front. Okay, right there. Keep your feet right there. You're on your own. Doing good. Keep pedaling. Yeah, there you go. But you gotta go straight, Mommy. See where you're headed? Towards the car. Okay. Keep going.
Bye. Bye. I love.
Go ahead.
Bye. Thanks.
Go ahead, Mommy. Straight, straight, straight. Yes. That's good. There you go. See? You're doing good. But look.